Family meals have taken on a new meaning for all of us. Just one more can to that salsa, sweetie. And we all have to do our part. Honor, take these shrimp skewers out to the grill, buddy.
Okay.
Science shows that eating foods higher in the nutrients found in fish and shellfish may help support immune health. And that's important to me as a registered dietitian and mom. Use ingredients that you already have in your pantry and fridge, like the combination of canned and fresh vegetables for this Mediterranean version of cowboy caviar.
Shrimp's ready, let's eat.
Eating more sustainable seafood not only helps your family's health, but you also help the fishermen and the entire seafood community who have been severely impacted by the COVID-19 crisis.
So, Mom, what can we do to help?
Great question, sweetie. Exactly what we're doing, buying, cooking, and eating seafood.
Eating is the best part. We can do this again next week.
That's right, it is, and definitely, sweetie. So eat seafood, America, to help save an industry that employs 2 million Americans and to help you and your family stay healthy.